When it comes naman to the transfer of custody of Ramil Madriaga, this is my take. From my perspective as a lawyer, no? Let us take note that Madriaga has a pending case in court, no? So hindi siya isang ordinaryong witness lang. And ultimately, we can say that the jurisdiction over the person of Madriaga belongs to the court where the case is pending, no? So, bagaman ang House of Representatives has a power to take custody, protective custody to be exact, I don't think we can rule motu proprio on that without soliciting first the conformity of the court. In other words, between the HREP and the court, it is the court really who has the authority to decide on the transfer of custody. That is in as far as I am concerned. But if somebody will raise a motion during the proceeding, no, of course we will be entertaining the motion, and we do not know if that will be supported by the majority. But even if so, I think there will be a constitutional question kapag pinakialaman namin yan without the prior authority of the court.